Hey there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampingup.net. Thank you for joining me today. Today's project is a very cute and very quick and easy to make table favour. Now I'm featuring the beautiful designer series paper from the Whimsy Wonder suite. This paper is absolutely glorious and I just thought it deserves its own little project. So these are just a small piece of designer series paper. There's no gluing, just a little bit of folding and cutting. And inside I've got a little hand cream. You could have a hand cream in there. This one features a little Christmas treat. You could put, if you were giving out maybe a little sewing kit, you could probably pop a little sewing kit in there, maybe with a little bit of a dot of glue. A small hand sanitizer would probably fit in there. Anything you could really think of that's kind of a small little thing that you might want to have as a table setting perhaps, maybe after dinner mints or something like that. Whatever you do, they are very, very cute and they're super easy to make. So let me show you how to do it. So this is a piece of that beautiful Whimsy Wonder Designer Series paper. Here's a larger piece of it. It's just too beautiful not to use with that foiling silver foil through it. So this piece of designer series paper measures 1.5 inches by 9, so you could actually get heaps out of one sheet of 12 by 12 paper. So I'm bringing in my trimmer and I'm just going to do a little bit of scoring, turn it around that landscape way and make a score mark at, push your cutting blade out of the way if you're using your trimmer. So score at 1 inch. Don't press too hard because it is only paper, you don't want to cut it. 1 inch, 4.5 and 5.5. And that's it. Don't need any adhesive. A little bit of folding. Fold up and burnish your score lines. Don't have to do too much of a burnish on them because, like I said, it's paper. So you don't want to rip it. And the top one is there. And that's it. That's it. It's really simple, really simple. So what we're going to do is make a little hole in the top there for our ribbon. So I'm just using one of our old retired punches and I'm just eyeballing the center. There's nothing terribly complicated about it. There we go. Any punch you want to use. And one of the heroes of this, I think, is this ribbon. This is the in colour ribbon, and it's the so that's the soft succulent. It's the beautiful, beautiful ribbon. Soft succulent I used in one of them, and this is the polished pink, which I love. So I'm using polished pink for this one. I think that's about 20 inches. You could probably use a little bit less. So I'm just going to thread that through here, and I might just have to poke that through with something. Okay. Just kind of thread it through. The only tricky thing about it really is just when you come to tie the ribbon, keeping it flat actually. Now you could put a little glue dot down here if you wanted to, just to hold that ribbon on. I did one with and one without. It's up to you. It's not really all that necessary, but and then just tie a ribbon, just tie your bow or tie a knot if you're not a someone who likes to tie bows. This sheer ribbon is a little bit, can be a little bit tricky to tie. So yeah, if you're not happy doing bows, it looks just as cute with a knot as well. And there it is. That was how simple that was to make. It's just couldn't really be any easier, could it? So your choice of what you want to put in there. Actually, I think it probably takes longer to get the bow looking perfect than anything else. Hence, if you want to do a little knot, it's probably not a bad idea. Right, I'll trim that off. Now, if you have some of these are the in colour jewels. If you have some of those, I popped a couple on here. Why not? I have some, and for just a little bit of extra bling, I thought, why not put them on? There's my dog having a little bit of a bark in the background. Sorry about that. He's quite a big dog, and so he has quite a big bark. And normally, oh, he's really telling us he wants to be on the video, I think. Anyway, there it is made. Easy, simple, can't get more easy than that. Cute little table favour. It does stand up, by the way, in case you're wondering. I have put a list of all the products I've used in the description bar below. If you would like to learn more about the products, please click on any of the items I've listed. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary@gmail.com. Thank you so much. Bye.